Mela organized at Havarkehat. Joint team of government officials and KSI visit Karbi Anglong and Hojai district border. Unemployed graduate youth in Chukihula ran his family by cutting hair. APHLC Women Wing formed in Mukhimingti village under Borjan MSC constituency. Good morning viewers, myself Malin Timungpi brings you today's news updates. Havarkehat Block Primary Health Center and Health Society organized a health mela at Gorjuga LP School playground in Havarkehat on Tuesday. During the mela, medical teams consisting of gynecologists, ophthalmologists, orthopedists, medicine specialists, dentists, pediatricians, and surgeons set up stall and conducted free health checkup of people to detect any underlying diseases. Karbi Anglong Tenmouse Council Health and Family Welfare in Charge EM Khonsing Rongpi, who attended the mela, said that the mela was organized with the purpose of creating awareness about common health issues in the people and also to diagnose them if any detected. Adults above 40 years with eye problems were given eyeglasses. MSC Ramsing Timu, Medical Board Chairman Vidya Sintiron, Karbi Anglong Medical Joint Director Borsing Rongpi, and several others attended the mela. Indrajit Rongpar from Nangon, for 365 News, India.
মেলা আমি আয়োজন কৰিছোঁ NRSMৰ পৰা আমি প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ হেল্থ মেলাটো কমসে কম 4-5টা জায়গাত আমি কৰোঁ কিন্তু এই বছৰ যেহেতু লকডাউন বহুত সময় আমি পাৰ কৰিলোঁ আৰু লগতে আমাৰ কৰোনাৰ কাৰণেও মানে বিশেষ এই উদ্দেশ্যলৈ মানে আমি NRSM গুৱাহাটীৰ পৰা এটা হেল্থ কেম্পটো মানে সেংচন কৰিছে সেইকাৰণে আমি ইয়াত এই যে গৰজগা এই ঠাইটোত তাৰ মানে চিকিৎসাৰ পৰা মানে বহুত অভাৱ আছে আৰু লগতে ইয়াত মানে এনেকা বিশেষ হেল্থ মেলা আগৰ পৰা মানে কোনো দিনে হোৱা নাই সেইকাৰণে আমি এই হেল্থ মেলাটো ইয়াত আনিছোঁ আৰু ইয়াত 7টা বিভাগ স্পেশালিষ্ট ডক্টৰসকলে ইতিমধ্যে ইয়াত উপস্থিত হৈছে বিভাগকিটা এই আপুনি গম পাব পেডিয়াট্ৰিক্স আহিছে আৰু লগতে মেডিচিন আহিছে ডেন্টেল আহিছে আই আহিছে এনেকুৱা গাইনো ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ আহিছে আৰু আমাৰ এইটো কি আছে এই হাৰ্ডি যে ভাঙে কি বিভাগ কয় এইটো অৰ্থোপেডিক এই হাৰ্ডি জোৰা টৰাবিলাকো আহিছে চাৰ্জনো আহিছে আমাৰ ডিফুৰ যিটো আগৰ চিভিল হস্পিটেলৰ ছাৰ আৰণক যে ৰঙা তেখেত নিজে আহিছে সেইকাৰণে ৰাইজে ইয়াত মই ভাবোঁ আজি যিসকলে দেখুৱাব নিশ্চয় ভাল এটা ৰিজাল্ট পাব বুলি মই আশা কৰিছোঁ আৰু লগতে মোৰ
A joint team comprising officials of Forest Department, Revenue Department, Police Department and members of the Karbi Student Associations visited the Karbi Anglong and Hojai border on Tuesday on the instructions of Karbi Anglong Tenmouse Council CM Tuliram Ronghang. The team visited Kangar Village, number 2 Kangar Village, Lama Village, Krishna Village, Sangtilangso Village, Bor Village and Lamding River during their visit and found Assam Survey pillars, Mikir Hills District Council pillar and Forest Department pillars clearly demarcating the boundary between Karbi Anglong and Hojai district. News Desk Report, 365 News, India. Setting a very fine example of self-confidence, ability, dedication, self-reliance, and true believers of dignity in labor, Rajiv Phangcho, an educated unemployed youth of Chukihola in Nilip MSC constituency, has been looking after his family by cutting hair. Phangcho passed his matriculations from Assumption English School in Chukihola and completed his graduations from Dipu Government College. In spite of numerous attempts, he could not secure any government employment, but that didn't deter his spirit. He opened a salon at the road intersection near Chukihola HS School and has been looking after his family since the last 3 years. Today, he earns 400 to 500 rupees daily, which he says is sufficient to run his family. Phangcho has also appealed to the youth of the area to be not discouraged by lack of employment opportunities and instead start small business, saying it provides sufficient to run a family. Moses Teron from Nilip for 365 News, India. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference formed its Women Wing in Mukhimingti village in Hidipi under Borjan MSC constituency on Tuesday. The newly appointed office bearers are Basanti Ronghang P as President, Malati Sopi as Secretary, Basapi Teron P as Assistant Secretary, and Monica Teron P as Office Secretary. The party's Borjan Unit President Horan Teron presided over the meeting held on the occasion. Legal Cell Secretary Samson Teron, Bokazan LAC in charge Bong Pokathar, Women Wing Central Committee President Rita Kramsapi, Borjan Unit Secretary Mensing Timum, Organizing Secretary Deson Teron, Assistant Secretary Samsoning T, President of the party's Youth Wing James Brengma, Vice President Hemai Rongpi, Singhasan Women Wing President Nilima Ronghangpi, and several others attended the formations program. The party leaders said that the Karbis and other indigenous tribes residing in the district will not tolerate the anti-Siksidul activities or any plans to change it, and if need arises, will even approach the Supreme Court for intervention. Jodnu Singh Bay from Balipathar for 365 News, India.
Pini 21 nong Borjan a constituency ki parlo pon Ladakh Jasimet Mukhim rong pia rong a puling lo Ladakh Hanse rong Pini soarlo tuma mai seng pon elo asi tum ki pangcheng pon lo lason se kapre ka puling Borjan arlo wan ma ke do Ladakh mangen tum seng pon bombu lasi non ke bang jilang abang ke rat tum han rat tum sidame kamang hu hedai phansi choning rilo athe Congress bonon BJP bonon latum ke kote tilo latum ke hem udoko high command gupi mak kipu lasi tum ratum khonei la dispur long tot chi high command la pen hadak dilhi long tot chi high command tum kapin khada link ke bege che tum high command la link sila tum claim na lasi ni tum APHL si pen ke latum phan condemn lo ningkan ko ani latum dak karbyang long cari det po phis tame jakong pohormu bang latum chi odun thek keci odun thegi kali laki dotang ana jakong la sik sidul pe nangi pitang long lia ronda itum cewadon phisi Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Act laso along lia ronsi 1886 lasi endun der lo amasin non ke kebe ke chetom phan anta long lia pata piver lo lapen karbi rong asar labangso village council hala angdeng pi ke thom andeng su ICPN EF along ke tokdo hala so jakong ta sik sidul long lata.
Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.